Hey guys, it's me Farah here.
Me Aisha here.
Today we're gonna be making squishy dares because on our last video we asked you guys to comment some squishy dares, and so we're doing them today. We won't do all of them. Let's get started. First dare, which is an easy one, is to kiss a squishy. I'm gonna kiss my blood. This one says, throw your squishy on the floor, put on the squishy and sit on it for 10 seconds. I don't exactly understand that, but what we're gonna do is throw squishy at the floor and sit on it. Stuff squishies inside your jacket. So I'm not wearing a jacket, so I'm just gonna stuff it in my shirt. Cut a squishy. Cut.
Oh, big rip, big rip, big rip.
The next dare is dump squishies on each other.
It's in my hair.
Throw as many squishies to each other as you can in 30 seconds.
No.
Oh, it's been 35 seconds. Kick a squishy into the air.
Enough?
Throw your squishy at Oreo.
Ew! Oh no. Ew! Yay!
It's in her tummy, yay!
Okay, bring her down.
I know we haven't done a lot of dares, but this is gonna be the last one. A squishy in water. Oh my god.
It's going down.
It's going down.
It's wet. Squeeze, squeeze. Plop. It's round, so there it goes. Oh, that's a lot of water. Now we're gonna show you an overview of our squishy madness that we did today.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed, and sure to subscribe because we're going to be making a giveaway really soon. I know I said that in the last video, but you know. Bye.